Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video. So this week we're going to be upcycling an old cocktail cabinet and giving it a really good fresh new look. So let's get going. So here's the cocktail cabinet that we've got here. As you can see, it's looking a little bit outdated, but the great thing is it's got everything working. So the cupboard door opens, and as you can see, there's a sort of a curve back to it so that you've got space at the front to put your bottles and you've got space to put your glasses. But yeah, it really needs a little bit of updating. It's looking a bit sort of old and tired and a bit out of fashion now. Can you believe I picked this up from a vide grenier for €4? Unbelievable. Obviously no one else spotted the potential, but I think it's going to look really, really good when we finish. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is start sanding it. So we want to sand it. It only has to be a light sand, but it's really just so that when we put the first coat of paint on, it's got a little bit of a key. Today I'm going to be using some paint that I've had left over from other projects. It's called FrenchChic, and we're going to use the FrenchChic to paint this. Now, it does say you don't have to sand it, but I think it does give a better finish if you just give it a light sand. So that's what I'm going to do now. So let's get going. So there we are. I've given it a good sand all over just to give it a good key. But as you can see, it's quite dirty, so I need to clean it. I'm using a basic sugar soap, and I'm just going to give it a good clean up with that, and then it'll be ready for painting. I've washed it down. If you don't have sugar soap, then you can just use some fairy liquid and some warm water. Give it a good clean like I've done here, and then rinse it off and let it dry. Hopefully you've got some gorgeous sunshine like we have here to let it dry quickly. We'll let it dry and then we'll get to the painting. So what we're going to do is we're going to paint the inside of this with a pink. Now it's a pink that we did our wall in our kitchen, but it works on wood as well. And I'm just going to put a coat of paint inside using the pink. So let's get going. There we are. So I've got 2 coats of paint on here, and I've put the handles back on the drawer. The next thing I'm going to do is I've got some old liner that I'm going to put in the drawer, and I'll have to do another coat of the pink, but it's looking really good. I'm really happy with that. So there we are. I've given it a final coat of pink paint in the middle as well. And what I've done is I've got a bit of offcut from a tablecloth that we've sort of had, and I've just lined the inside of the cupboard, and I've used the same material to line the drawer as well. And I think that gives a really good, nice finish. And the next thing to do is to fill it with alcohol. And the final touch is a little neon pink flamingo. There we are. I'm really happy with that. I think it looks fantastic, and I look forward to making some cocktails. Thank you for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really happy with the result, and I look forward to seeing any of your results as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you get notified of any future videos so you don't miss out. And I'll see you next time. Cheers guys, bye.